In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a direct deposit for an employee in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward, but ensuring every step is done correctly is crucial for a smooth transition from direct deposit to an alternative payment method. So, let's get started by heading over to your computer. First, open your web browser. While you can use any browser, I recommend using Google Chrome for optimal performance as it's known to work well with QuickBooks Online. Once your browser is open, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Next, log into your QuickBooks Online account. You must have payroll enabled in your account to proceed with these steps. If it's your first time logging in today, you might need to complete a two-step verification, so keep an eye out for that. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, look for the payroll option and give it a click. This takes you to a dedicated section where you can manage all aspects of your payroll. It's a powerful tool, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not too familiar with it. Within the payroll section, find and click on the Employees tab. It's usually located near the top of the page and will lead you to a list of all employees. Here you'll find an overview of everyone under your payroll system. Scroll through this list and select the employee whose direct deposit details you wish to change. Clicking on their name or profile will bring up more specific information. Now, you'll see a series of options related to that employee. Locate the edit option next to their payment method. This is typically a small link or button that allows you to make changes to how they are paid. Clicking edit will open up more settings. Next, scroll down until you see the payment method section. This is where you can switch the method of payment for your employee. In this area, you'll want to choose an alternative to direct deposit. Most often, this will be the paper check option, but you can choose another method if it better suits your needs and arrangements with the employee. Once you have made your selection, you must confirm the change. Hit the Save button to ensure these new settings are updated. Saving finalizes the switch from direct deposit to the payment method you've selected, ensuring your employee is paid correctly without any system discrepancies. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully canceled an employee's direct deposit in favor of a paper check or another alternative payment option. Remember, if you need to make any more changes, you can always revisit these steps to adjust as necessary. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.